Welcome to my channel, English Learning Solutions.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How often do you cook?
A few times a week.
Do you exercise daily?
No, just on weekends.
What time is lunch?
Usually at noon.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love novels.
Do you shower at night?
No, I shower in the morning.
When do you sleep?
Around 10 at night.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every weekday.
Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's my favorite.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I prefer mild.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen every day.
What's your favorite drink?
I love iced coffee.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read a lot.
Do you prefer cats?
No, I prefer dogs.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, but I'm not good.
What's your favorite sport?
I like soccer.
Do you like winter?
No, it's too cold.
Is this spicy?
Yes, very spicy.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Can I get a coffee?
Sure, what size?
Is the food good?
Yes, it's delicious.
Do you have dessert?
Yes, we have cake.
Thanks for watching. To get more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share.